with us today. It's okay if it getting like, okay, Nancy, it doesn't work, that's okay. We're gonna do it again.
In about what, 15 minutes-ish?
Doesn't matter.
So we'll see if it's still steak.
I never have to wait that long for the clients, but you will see in how our, oh, it's dry already. So now my hand is really slippery because of my cuticle oil on the cuticles. I always put the cuticle oil on like so many times a day because as we wash your hands so many times. All right, look really cool. So now this one is good. You see that, how it just transferred completely? How is that, this one? Did you see missing some spot right there? Just slide it right up. Okay. Looks cute. And I am going to see what we're gonna do with this. Transfer completely. Really cool. I think I'm gonna testing the other ones again.
Pretty Nuna said, Nancy, I have been looking at too many posts and I feel intimidated because my manicures are not up to game. So I'm trying to not watch too many posts. I only see glitz accessories and such. And what?
Thank you. Well, I just want to bring it to real, like, I'm not saying anything like with all the artists out there. They're so gorgeous. They're absolutely, okay, so I'm going to using this right here. Oh, hold on. The gel painting with precision brush. Sorry, I didn't bend it like flat because I have the lids open, the caps open. So I agree with you, Nuna. I totally, because I told a lot of my students and my staff too, do not like really feel scared and intimidating with people doing, because a lot of nail tech, they're so talented. Some people get really special gift, you know, like the same with artists. Some is drawing really cool and some it just like take a year to study. I am consider myself is not like an artist. I would say, I don't know, whatever, because I would consider me like I would able to do a lot of things, and I love to do variety, like diverse, a lot of different fun, cool thing, more realistic. I'm not considering me as like really artist, like husband, because he's really artistic and stuff, but I can't like do a lot of things. And I like this. I don't want to limit myself with doing things. So I was saying that because, all right, so I'm going to do a light. Just make it a lace. So sometimes I see when I was before, I always want to practice myself. I know that I couldn't like, some people get special gift, can do things really cool. Me, I have to practice so many years, and it's okay. It's totally fine. It's as long as I'm not giving up. You know how like I always focus on like, if you know a lot of people who winning stuff, it's not because they are top of the line, just because they're gonna win, just because they are not giving up. If you pay attention, so I'm a kind of not like really artistic, but I'm not
Pretty
giving up.
Nuna said, I agree. Other nail posts are so beautiful, and I look at mine and it's like, yeah.
No, don't feeling that. Okay, so I'm gonna fast cure first for this, and then I'll go back and do another to make a lace. So I don't know. It's just like a lot of it's come from a love from it, and I just want all of nail technicians, all like a nail professional, it's just like me, to see that they're another really cool way. And it now is a lot of things make it so much easier. It's like a lot of really cool tools and things that make it easier for us at work, so we can always work smarter, not harder. Super cute bling nails. And yep, absolutely super cute bling nails. Nuna, nobody is perfect, just do the best. You create what you like. Yeah, I agree. You know, it's just You can do it 10 seconds, but you do it 30 seconds. That's great. So I'm gonna do it again. Did I get, sorry. Hold on. Did I get it right? Okay, good. I really like this. I can play with this gel painting all day long. And more color to come everyone, so I'm so excited. Nuna, I really like the way you're doing it too. We're just here to always support each other, lift each other up, and support each other. No one's better than the other, just to do the best of your ability. And as long as you enjoy what you're doing, don't give up. All right, so I'm gonna cure. For flash cure, 10 seconds before I move to other paintings. I'm gonna using golden touch again. You can do a whole entire black line, but I'm gonna do the golden touch to give it a little bit dimension. Yep, so remember the story I told you about 3D gels? I couldn't do it for like 4 years, I swear. 4 years, I'm struggling. I'm really struggling, and then I took so many classes, it doesn't work, and I'm still struggling, and I'm still looking all the pictures beautiful, and I wish that one day I can do it. And one day, and I keep practice and practice, and I'm able to figure out how I can able to pick up the ratio of powder and liquid. So then I teach all of my staff and my student exactly the way it is. So usually after like one session of their classes or their trainings, they're able to create really cool, decent of 3D flower, liquid and powder. And then from there, you can create with 40 easy. Also, like also reverse, you can able to using your 40 and create that, and then you can go back and do it with the liquid and powder, so to create the 40 to 3D look. I mean, I can't wait. We can do that again in tomorrow live videos. I'm gonna do the frame and give it a frame. Look really cool to just make it a little bit dimension. If you don't want to, you absolutely don't have to. But you know, if you do this with clients, it doesn't take much time though. If under the camera, I would take time to show with you, but with my clients, I was doing it really simple. It's fun Monday night to share with everyone. All right. I'm gonna keep this for 30 seconds, and we'll do some crystal on this one. So if the clients just want plain like this, they don't want any crystal, you can leave it alone. But if you want to do something fun, you can absolutely cure for 30 seconds. Flash cure, I'm gonna keep this on the sides because I might need to use it later. And also, what is this one that we have at first? We have a white and rose. And with this one, we are going to using this colors, the white opal, and oh, that's just super cute. I'm gonna use the white opal and then this little white opal. There you go. That's super cute. You can even leave it alone though, I would think. But let's see if we can put something on it. Well, it depends on clients. If you're doing a press on, that's how the nails is. But if you're doing with the clients long custom nails, some of you are able to get back to work, can do it on the longer nails. But if some of you still able to work and making a press on and glue on nails for clients, so you can able to do it's a little bit shorter. So I am going to apply and tie the nails because I'm going to put some smaller crystal along with the lace. All right, so close the caps on. Do not forget, just even you can't screw in, just close it so then the lid's on. And no wipe top coat. And I'm gonna cover your hole and tie the nails. Just this two I need. If you don't want this, totally fine. I think it looks super cute, but if you want something, it's gonna do that. Lay the beads on. I would wear this, I think. I know, black colors and the lace looks super cute. I'm going to do whole nails for you later, like with just lace. That. Cute. Should we put anything else on?
I don't know why this nail reminds me of Mulan.
You think? I really want to see Mulan though. I don't know, we can't seeing it.
Eventually.
Thank you, Lily. So Wednesday. I really want to see the Mulan. Let me see if I can put this one on. Ah, it looks cute. Okay, I'm gonna do them all. What do you think?
Sonia said, can I wear the nail first week without the crystal so people can appreciate the foil? Then next week I'll add the stones or
Yeah.
crystals.
That's a great way to, even the clients, yeah. I don't know if you can add more.
Oh, that's
It looks good. Just leave it alone like that. Should I? Okay.
It's like some super expensive
3
legging.
more minutes.
Great. So I'm gonna keep it for 60 seconds. 3 more minutes.
We go right back to precision glue after the break.